Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of eyebrow grooming with what we believe is the best eyebrow stencil kit available, the CENTSTAR Eyebrow Stamp Stencil Kit. Now, when it comes to achieving those perfectly sculpted eyebrows, we all know the struggle. But fear not, because CENTSTAR has revolutionized the game with their innovative eyebrow stamping technology. This kit comes packed with everything you need for flawless brows. From the natural brow stamp pomade to 24 reusable thin and thick eyebrow stencils, you'll have endless options to create your desired look. Let's talk about what sets this kit apart. First off, the natural plant formula of the eyebrow pomade ensures a creamy, highly pigmented application that's gentle on your skin. Plus, it's long-lasting and smudge-proof, so your brows will stay on fleek all day long. And the best part? This kit is designed for everyone. Whether you prefer a natural or bold brow look, CENTSTAR has you covered with a wide range of stencil options. So if you're tired of spending hours in front of the mirror trying to get your brows just right, it's time to upgrade to the CENTSTAR Eyebrow Stamp Stencil Kit. Trust me, your brows will thank you. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.